Are you worried about the health of your liver? In today's fast-paced world, our liver often takes a hit due to poor dietary choices and lifestyle habits. But fear not, because we've got a solution for you. Welcome to our video on the top 12 foods with miraculous effects that can help keep your liver healthy. Your liver is a vital organ responsible for detoxification, metabolism, and various other crucial functions. Neglecting its health can lead to serious consequences. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through. Did you know that certain foods possess amazing properties that can promote liver health and even repair damage? From everyday fruits and vegetables to exotic superfoods, we'll explore them all. By incorporating these 11 miraculous foods into your diet, you'll not only support your liver but also enhance your overall well-being. Stay tuned as we delve into each food's incredible benefits and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily meals to ensure a healthier liver and a happier you. Let's get started on this journey to optimal liver health together. 1. Oat grains. Ever thought about how amazing oats are for your liver? They work wonders by boosting cell regeneration and aiding in the detoxification of salts and heavy metals. Here's a simple recipe for you to make a soothing oat decoction. Take 100 g of oats and toss them into a pot with 1 liter of water. Let it all simmer away for about 30 minutes. Once it's done, allow the decoction to cool down a bit. Next up, strain out the oats so you're left with just the liquid. Now, here's the fun part: drink a glass of this oat decoction every single day for a month. Your liver will thank you for it. And hey, if you're looking for an even easier way to give your liver some love, why not whip up some plain oatmeal? Just use water instead of milk. It's a simple yet effective way to keep that liver of yours in tip-top shape. 2. Honey. It's like a little miracle worker when it comes to easing those pesky liver disease symptoms. Not only does it get that bile flowing and aid in digestion, but its vitamins swoop in to help restore those hard-working liver cells. Here are a couple of recipes you might want to try out. Recipe number 1. Honey-cinnamon mixture. Mix up 10 g of cinnamon with 100 milliliters of honey. Then, take a teaspoon of this magical blend both in the morning and evening. It's like a cozy hug for your liver, combining the goodness of honey and the warmth of cinnamon to keep things running smoothly. Recipe number 2. Honey-infused mineral water. Grab a 2-liter bottle of mineral water and add in 2 teaspoons of honey. Give it a good shake to make sure that honey gets all cozy with the water. Not only does this add a dash of vitamins to your water, but it also boosts its liver cleansing powers. 3. Turmeric. People have known about its special powers for ages, especially when dealing with tough liver issues like cirrhosis or hepatitis. Now, here's a little recipe I swear by. Recipe number 1. Turmeric and honey water. Start off with half a teaspoon of turmeric, and mix it up with a cup of warm water. Next, add in a teaspoon of honey to sweeten the deal. Take your time sipping on this soothing concoction. It's a simple blend that marries the healing goodness of turmeric with the sweetness of honey, creating a drink that's not only beneficial but also downright delightful. Recipe number 2. Turmeric cashew milk. Start off with a teaspoon of turmeric and mix it up with 2 tablespoons of ground cashew nuts. Next, pour this lovely mixture into a cup of milk and give it a good stir. Sip on this creamy goodness once a day for a whole month. It's like a little ritual that blends the anti-inflammatory power of turmeric with the nourishing goodness of cashews and milk. Trust me, your liver will thank you for it. Now, let's talk about something extra special: pumpkin syrup. It's like a magic potion for detoxifying your liver and intestines, while also giving your metabolism a little boost and helping break down fat. Here's how you make it. Grab a ripe pumpkin and cut off the top to create a lid. Scoop out the seeds from inside. Now, fill up that hollow pumpkin with liquid honey until it's nice and snug. Pop the lid back on and let it all infuse for a cozy 2 weeks. Once that time's up, strain out the syrup from the pumpkin. Take a tablespoon of this syrup in the morning, afternoon, and night. This syrup is a blend of pumpkin goodness and sweet honey, working together to give your liver a little extra love while also helping with digestion and metabolism. It's like nature's own remedy, straight from the pumpkin patch to your tummy. For garlic. Recipe number 1. Garlic water infusion. Grab yourself 2 cloves of garlic and toss them into a cup of boiling water. Let them soak up all that steamy goodness for a whole day. Once they're done soaking, strain out the garlic and sip on this infused water on an empty stomach for a week. It's like giving your liver a little spa treatment, especially helpful for conditions like cirrhosis and fatty liver. Plus, those antioxidants in garlic? They're like little warriors fighting off any nasty liver tumors that might try to pop up. Recipe number 2. Garlic alcohol tincture. Now, get ready to unleash the power of garlic even more. Mince up 100 g of garlic and let it take a nice long soak in 500 milliliters of alcohol for 2 weeks. Keep it in a cozy, dark place while it works its magic. Once it's all done mingling, take a tablespoon of this potent tincture before each meal for up to 2 months. It's like a detox for your liver, kicking those pesky parasites to the curb while giving your liver a fresh start. 5. Soaked raisins. You see, raisins are packed with something special called inulin. It's like nature's own detox agent, swooping in to cleanse your liver and bile ducts of all those pesky harmful substances, salts, and metals. Now, here's a simple recipe you can try out to make the most of these amazing little fruits. Soaked raisins recipe. Start off by grabbing yourself some raisins and mineral water. Use a 1:2 ratio. For every 100 g of raisins, you'll want 200 milliliters of water. Let those raisins take a nice, long soak until they plump up and get all juicy. Now, here's the fun part. Munch on 100 g of these soaked raisins for breakfast every single day. And hey, don't forget about that leftover water from soaking the raisins. It's like a bonus treat. Drink up a glass of it on an empty stomach before hitting the hay at night. 6. Olive oil. You see, taking just 1 tablespoon of olive oil regularly can work wonders for your bile flow and help flush out all those nasty harmful substances lurking around. But wait, there's more. You can kick it up a notch by mixing olive oil with lemon juice. Here's a little recipe you can whip up in no time. Olive oil and lemon juice mixture. Grab yourself some olive oil and lemon juice, aim for an equal amount of each. Let's say, 1 tablespoon of each should do the trick. Mix them together until they're all cozy and combined. Now, here's the fun part. Take this magical mixture daily. Not only does this gentle treatment work wonders for improving bile flow, but it also does wonders for keeping things moving along in the old digestive department. Say goodbye to pesky constipation. Your body will thank you for it. 7. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is jam-packed with all sorts of goodies like vitamins, antioxidants, and those vital minerals that our bodies just love. Now, here's how you can whip up a batch of this liquid magic. Recipe for beetroot juice. Grab yourself some fresh beetroot and give them a good scrub to make sure they're squeaky clean. Then, fire up your juicer and get ready to work some magic. Juice those beautiful beets until you've got yourself a vibrant, nutritious drink. Usage. Now comes the fun part. Pour yourself a glass of this gorgeous juice and sip on it in the morning. Trust me, starting your day with a glass of beetroot juice is like giving your body a big ol' hug. It's not just delicious, it's also packed with benefits like boosting your energy levels and improving your overall well-being. So go ahead, pour yourself a glass of that ruby red goodness and let the beetroot juice work its wonders. 8. Milk thistle. It's like a secret weapon for your liver, swooping in to detoxify and protect it from all those pesky toxins and harmful substances floating around. Now, here's a little recipe you can try out to harness the power of milk thistle. Recipe for milk thistle tincture. Start off by grabbing some milk thistle herb and some alcohol or vodka. Aim for a 1:5 ratio. For every 20 g of milk thistle, you'll want 100 milliliters of alcohol. Mix them together and let them mingle in a cozy, dark spot for about 2 weeks. Once that time's up, strain out the tincture to get rid of the herb. Usage. Now, here's the fun part. Take about 10 drops of this magical tincture every day for a month. But wait, there's more. Milk thistle comes in other forms too, like oil seeds, healing decoctions, and milk thistle meal made from pressed seeds. It's like a smorgasbord of liver-loving goodness. You can even mix milk thistle meal with water to give your liver cells an extra layer of protection against damage. 9. Immortal. Immortal herb is known for its biostimulating, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory powers. It's like nature's little miracle worker, loaded with essential oils, tannins, and even a kick of vitamin C. Now, here's a simple recipe you can try out to make the most of this magical herb. Recipe for immortal herb infusion. Start off by grabbing yourself some immortal herb and a cup of hot water. Toss about a tablespoon of the herb into the water and let it steep for a cozy 20 minutes. Once it's had time to work its magic, strain out the herb so you're left with just the infused liquid. Usage. Now, here's the fun part. Sip on about half a cup of this soothing infusion both in the morning and evening. It's like giving your body a warm hug, relieving any pain in that right rib area and giving your digestion a little boost. 10. Wormwood. It's like a little hero in the world of natural remedies, especially when it comes to managing those tricky hemangiomas, those benign vascular tumors. Now, here's a little recipe you might find interesting. Recipe for wormwood tincture. Start off by getting yourself some dried wormwood, about 50 g should do the trick. Next, grab a cup of alcohol or vodka and soak that wormwood in there. Let it all mingle together in a cool, dark spot for about 3 weeks. Once that time's up, strain out the mixture to get your hands on that precious tincture. Usage. Now, here's where the magic happens. Take about 10 drops of this tincture twice a day, both in the morning and evening. Keep it up for a whole month. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. 11. Birch leaves. Birch leaves are like nature's own little miracle workers, known for their incredible ability to help your liver cells bounce back and even prevent those pesky gallstones from forming. Now, here's a simple recipe you can try out to make the most of these amazing leaves. Recipe for birch leaf infusion. Start off by grabbing some birch leaves and hot water. Aim for a ratio of 1 part birch leaves to 3 parts hot water. Let those leaves take a nice, long soak until the infusion reaches the strength you desire. Once it's just right, strain out the leaves so you're left with a pure, refreshing infusion. Usage. Now comes the fun part. Sip on this soothing infusion twice a day. It's like giving your liver and gallbladder a little hug from the inside out, promoting their health and keeping them happy and functioning smoothly. 12. Herbal mixture. An herbal mixture that's like a powerhouse of goodness for your body. It's packed with ingredients like immortal, nettle, milk thistle, and chamomile, each bringing their own unique benefits to the table. You see, this herbal blend isn't just your average potion, it's like a superhero team, working together to promote bile production, reduce inflammation, ease those pesky spasms, and even fight off those stubborn microbes. Now, here's a little recipe you can try out to make the most of these incredible herbs. Recipe for herbal mixture infusion. Start off by combining equal parts of immortal, nettle, milk thistle, and chamomile. Aim for a total of 50 g of this magical mixture. Pop that 50 g into 500 milliliters of cold water and gently heat it up until it starts to boil. Then, let it steep covered, like a cozy little herbal bath. Once it's cooled down a bit, it's ready for action. Usage. Now, here's where the magic happens. Sip on a glass of this soothing infusion both in the morning and evening. Keep it up for about a month, and trust me, you'll start feeling the difference. It's like giving your liver and digestive system a big ol' hug from the inside out. Let's have a heart-to-heart about our liver. It's like our body's unsung hero, right? This little champ works hard, taking on all the stress from chemicals and medications like a true trooper. But sometimes, it needs a little extra love and support, especially when it's dealing with the long-term effects of all that stress. That's where therapeutic recipes and healthy eating come into play. They're like a gentle hand, helping our liver recover and stay strong. And you know what's even cooler? These remedies aren't just good for our liver, they also look out for our other digestive organs, our heart and blood vessels, and even our immune system. It's like a big ol' hug for our whole body. And hey, when things get really tough, like dealing with serious liver conditions such as cirrhosis or cancer, these treatments can step up to the plate and lend a helping hand. They're like a beacon of hope in those tough situations, improving our well-being and giving us the strength to keep fighting. Thank you for watching the video, and if you found it useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Wishing you happiness and health.